Welcome back to my channel. Friends, do you know what is the reverse breakdown region? How a diode responds to breakdown? Can a normal PN junction diode works in breakdown region, or we have some special diodes which can operate normally in the breakdown region? In this video, I am going to explain you every important aspects regarding this breakdown region. So please watch the video completely and thoroughly, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more contents. Now let's see what is the reverse breakdown region. As we know that when a small negative voltage is applied between the terminals of PN junction diode, a reverse saturation current flows in the circuit. Can you tell me what is the reason of this reverse saturation current? You can write me in the comment section. Now, what happens if we keeps on increasing this negative voltage in between minus 6 to 7 volt and approximately at minus 6.8 volt, the diode entered into the breakdown region. This breakdown region is called Zener breakdown. It is named after an American physicist, Clarence Zener, who proposed Zener effect in 1934. According to him, due to the large reverse voltage and high electric field intensity at the junction, breakdown of covalent bonds takes place. So this breakdown of covalent bonds results into the generation of large number of electron hole pairs, and so the rapid increase in the reverse current. This sudden increase of the current can be and cannot be destructive for diode depending on support given by an external circuit. But in the absence of external circuit, a normal PN junction diode cannot operate in breakdown region. Then, so there are some special diodes which are manufactured specifically to work in the breakdown region, and these diodes are called Zener diode. So this is the circuit symbol of the Zener diode. The current direction will be this. Its N side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and P side is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This Zener diode is manufactured differently from the PN junction diode. How? It is heavily doped. So its both P and N sides are heavily doped in comparison to the PN junction diode. It behaves as a normal PN junction diode in forward bias mode, and in reverse bias mode it permits large flow of current with a small increase in negative voltage without damaging or overheating of the circuit. Now let's model this Zener diode. To model a Zener diode, once again look into its IV characteristics. So here Vz is the voltage across the Zener diode, which is usually specified by the manufacturer at a specified test current denoted by Izt. As the current through Zener deviated from Izt, the voltage across it will also change. So we can relate this by delta V is equals to Rz product delta I. This will be our first equation. Here Rz is the incremental or dynamic Zener resistance. You have already seen a dynamic resistance in previous videos. So this one is dynamic Zener resistance. Its value is very small. It is in the range of few ohm to few tens of ohm only. So what is this Rz? It is the inverse of the slope 1 upon Rz of this IV curve at the operating point. Now this straight line of the slope 1 upon Rz is intersecting the voltage axis at a point denoted by Vz0, whose practical value is almost equals to the Vzk. So keeping all these points in the mind, now let's describe Zener diode analytically. From this IV characteristics, we can write that Vz is equals to Vz0 plus Rz product Iz. This will be our equation 2. And this is for when Zener current is greater than Izk, the knee Zener current, and the Zener voltage is greater than Vz0. Therefore, Zener diode is modeled as, so we can replace a Zener diode with a dynamic Zener resistance in series of VZ0 voltage. Now let's see some important frequently asked questions from the topic. The first one is, explain Zener breakdown in PN junction diode. For this, you should mention the reason of Zener breakdown and its IV characteristics. Next one is, how a Zener diode is different from a PN junction diode. It is heavily doped in comparison to the PN junction diode. And the last one is, a Zener diode whose nominal voltage is 10 volt, it is the VZ at 10 milliampere. This one is Zener current, has an incremental resistance of 50 ohm. This one is RZ. What is the value of VZ0 in Zener model? To find the VZ0, we will use equation 2. Okay. So what was equation 2? It is VZ is equals to VZ0 plus RZ product IZ. Putting all the values, VZ0 will be 9.5 volt. The second part, what voltage would you expect if current is halved or doubled? For the first part, we need to find the VZ Zener voltage when IZ is halved of this given case. And the second part, we need to find again the voltage when current is doubled. So twice of IZ. I know you can solve it. So you can reply me in the comment section. So in this video, we have seen what is the reverse breakdown region and an introduction of the Zener diode. In the next video, we will know the use of Zener diode in electronics, its application. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share it. If you have any queries regarding this topic or any other topic in analog electron circuit, digital electronics, VLSI, you can write me in the comment section or you can mail me. My mail ID is given in the description of the video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.